In C#, we can use the this keyword to access the members of a class from within the class itself. The this keyword is used to refer to the current instance of the class. There are 3 common uses of the this keyword. First, it's used to specify which members should be accessed when there are similar names. Second, it can be used to pass an object as a parameter to methods. Third, it's used to declare indexers. In this lecture, we'll discuss the this keyword in classes, and in the following, we'll talk about its common uses. Hello guys, welcome back. Okay, as we said, the this keyword is used to refer to the current instance of the class. But what exactly does this mean? Let's illustrate it through an example. Here, we have the team class. Let's declare a method. And inside it, we print the this keyword. Now, let's go to the program class. Then, we create a team object. Next, let's call the print this method, which print the this inside the team class. And also, we print the instance of the team class itself. Then, let's run the application to see the result. As you can see, both the this keyword and team1 object are the same. To better understand, let's declare another method. This time, we print the name of the team using the this keyword. Next, let's define a constructor to set the team's name. Alright, to get rid of this error, let's put a name here. Now, let's create another object and give it a name too. Then, for each instance, we call the print name method. And also, let's print the team's name using the instance object. Let's run the application once more. Alright, let's talk about the result. When we use the print name method with team1, it prints the value of this name. In this case, the this keyword refers to team1, so it prints team A. Similarly, when we use the print name method with team2, it also prints the value of this name. But in this case, the this keyword refers to team2, so it prints team B. That's why we say that this keyword refers to the current instance of a class. Now let's discuss the common uses of the this keyword. One use of the this keyword is to qualify members that are hidden by similar names. As you may know, we cannot declare 2 or more variables with the same name inside the class or method. However, sometimes fields and parameters may have the same name. For example, let's change the parameter name to _name inside the constructor. Now, when we run the application, we'll notice that the name is null. This happens because C# gets confused when the field name and the parameter name are the same. The name field has a default value of null. In the constructor, the compiler treats this name as the name field and this name as the parameter. Therefore, it sets the name parameter to null, which is not what we want. To solve this issue, we can use the this keyword. By using this before the name field, the compiler can distinguish between the field and the parameter. Let's run the application once more. As you can see, this time we get the results we expected. Alright, another use of the this keyword is to pass an object as a parameter to other methods. We can use the this keyword to send the current object as an argument to a method. For example, let's create a method called printMatchInfo that takes two team parameters. Inside this method, we print the names of Team 1 and Team 2. Next, let's declare another method called playAgainst that uses the printMatchInfo method. Now, in the program class, let's call the playAgainst method for Team 1. Let's pass Team 2 as a parameter. Okay, inside the playAgainst method, we call another method that takes two team parameters. We use the this keyword for the first parameter and the team parameter for the second. Here, the this keyword acts as an object of type team. Let's run the application. As you can see, we get the expected result. Alright, we can also use the this keyword for other purposes, like declaring indexers or invoking the constructor of the same class. We'll cover these topics in the upcoming lectures. Okay, done. See you soon.